With today's remote and mobile workforces, keeping valuable data safe on laptops and other devices is becoming increasingly difficult. Protect data on your employee devices with Iron Cloud Endpoint Backup. You'll safeguard against ransomware attacks, potential data loss, and hardware failure, and perform backups on every device routinely, so data can be restored or accessed quickly from any device, anywhere, anytime. Here's how it works. Simply deploy Iron Cloud Endpoint in a public cloud, a private cloud, on-premises in your own data center, or a combination of all three. Then, centrally manage and restore user data and minimize data loss with audit trails, monitoring, and alerts. Control backups with customized policies and quick cache options that don't interfere with end-user productivity. Reap the benefits of a direct-to-cloud or hybrid cloud backup solution that mitigates data loss and maximizes network and end-user performance. Added features like Remote Wipe, global location tracking, and legal hold address the consequences of lost or stolen devices and aid in regulatory compliance. Adding Iron Cloud Backup from Microsoft 365 protects the entire suite of Microsoft 365 services against data loss, including Teams, OneDrive, Exchange, SharePoint, and Planner. Iron Mountain's expertise in protecting your critical data can help you modernize your backup environment with easy onboarding, best-in-breed solutions, and dedicated technical support. To learn more, contact us today